Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be learning that how to create visual magic with images and text. For that, first we will be going to pixels.com and search for jump. Okay, and we will see, okay, this is a good image. It's by Vlad Chetan. Okay, and then we kind of just open our CorelDraw, take a document and import this image here. Okay, then let's change our thing to portrait again. Reduce this to the size of the page and center align it. So that is P. Okay, now what we are going to do is type jump, Jump. Okay, and let it be Arial and bold, and we just enlarge it. Okay, any font is fine because the idea over here is to do the effect, not to get too creative. Okay, you can get creative, but so far so good. Okay, so we come here, we copy paste this and we go into our Corel photo paint. Okay, once that is done, we come here into the cutout lab and select everything that you the outline of the man. Okay, we select the outline and we are done. Then you cut out, and as always we check it. Is it good enough? Yeah, it is. So we say finish editing, say yes, and come here. Now once we are here, this is what we got. Overlap it, yeah, so that there is no shadow, there is nothing else. And now we select the behind image and we trim it because jump is the only thing that we want to work with. Okay, so let's not clutter the image, the artwork space too much. Select this, and now obviously now as it's small, it gives us the liberty of enlarging it. So enlarge it till your jump kind of uses most of the space of the page. Okay, now we select them and adjust them to a point where the P works for us. Okay, the P and the J should work fine. Now give this a 16 point outline, behind fill, scale with image and rounded corners and white, and then power clip the image in the text. Now sorry, it's not moving, give it 20.10 20 mm nudging, and now we try to power clip it again. What's happening? Okay, it's done. Okay, so now this image looks like this and we are done. So JUMP looks that way. So now let's change the color. You can either change the color of this, that is the outline of the text, or you can give it a good background color. Okay, so that is the second option. We increase the size, and now we are going to duplicate this. Okay, I'll put it to another this and move that and extract the contents and delete jump. Now what we are going to do is that I hope some of all of y'all have seen these pop up kind of an ads, where the person is popping out from the circle or the window or something like that. So now we are going to create pop-ups. So this is what you do. So you trim this, and within that inner rectangle that you have trimmed, you place this also. Okay, so this is what we get. Align the behind one first. Wow, this kind of almost got aligned. Great. Now we take this. See, the cheek is breaking. Make sure the cheek and the lip is what your target is. And yeah, okay. And this is what you get. Okay, fine. So in this now you cut the image that is there on top. So automatically once the legs come in, that person is popping out from the hexagon. Okay, and our second artwork is done, as you can see in the multi-page review. Okay, let's put all these artworks in their page space so that things are not popping out. Okay, we duplicate page number 1, and now what we are going to do is that we create this special effect, which you all must have seen, that only on the side of the face you see jump, or you see that effect, or things like that, or you see the so let's create that kind of an effect. Okay, that is only on the side, it's not on the whole image like what we did before. So keep this, and so it's all got to do with purely overlapping and power clipping in the right way. Okay, once you are able to do that, I think anything is possible. So this is option 3. Okay, so we duplicate it further, and now we will make something that is more text heavy. Okay, so in that scenario we do all the necessary same steps, and now we make the font small. Why? Because we only want that much part of his body to be taken in. So we power clip it, put it there. Okay, and just leave it there. Now we adjust this in such a way where it matches. Make sure that you're working with one part of the body, for example the hand or the collar. Okay, take a part that is connecting. Okay, so once this is done, now we will take a shape tool and reduce the size of the image this way. So the J is kind of coming out. Okay, so now as we have mentioned J, oh sorry, as we have mentioned J, let the whole J come. Okay, so then your text you can put down below. Okay, so that's what you can do. Now as 2 and 3 are quite similar, let's do one thing. Okay, as you can see 2 and 3 are quite similar. Let's do something different on page 3. Okay, let's not waste our space. So here what we'll do is that have you seen this kind of a text where it kind of is the exact shape of the body or something like that? So we are going to do that kind of an effect. It seems to be a little far-fetched, considering that the t-shirt is flying, the elbow is also coming out. So then too we will see. So this is what you need to do: envelope and putty, Putty. Adjust your jump in such a way, then cut the head off, and whatever that you want, cut the legs off, and I want this jump to fill exactly in this object. So make sure that it's one single object. Okay, and see, this is what you get. Great. So this is what you get. Now I just jump here, or I think let's take something that is more manageable. We take a carrot. Okay. Hey, see, this is nice. See the reaction. This is by Cotton Bro Studio. Okay. See the reaction on the boy. And this is by Anna Tarazevich. Now we remove the background from the carrot. Sorry, I'm going a little fast on this because this is what we have done in thousands of our videos. Okay. And we put this Now we rotate this at 0 degrees. Come here and say caret and just remove the outline. Okay, just remove the outline. So we don't want anything. We take both our carrots and a boy, the carrot and the boy. Okay, boy's image is humongous. Great. Okay, increase it to the size of a page and we put a carrot in the front. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to play with this carrot in this way that the word carrot comes within the carrot. And how are we going to do it is what we see. Let's remove those little bit extra things from our last human image. Come here and say line art to the carriage and merge the black and white. Merge both of them so you get this gray image. Okay. Once that is done, you take the B spline tool and make this kind of a shape. Yeah, a carrot is rounded, so you make this rounded shape that is going to cut a carrot. So you take this and what we do is that we intersect it first. So you get only the back part and then you trim it. Okay. So first intersect and then you trim again for this also. Intersect first and then trim. So we are getting the whole carrot is now cut into 3 pieces. That is the front part, the middle part and the back part. Now you take this and say putty and do this. So see, this is what you get in the word carrot. We power clip the carrot that we got here in this. Okay. You're getting a nice shadow also. See at the below. And then we power clip the second carrot over here. Got it? We actually never needed this center part, but it's fine. I mean, it's always safer to have something extra. Okay. Now, once we have come here, you see E. So once you see E both of them, this is what you get. Now the nodes that you have got now, just pull them up till your C. Okay. So your C, your carrot kind of happens here. And we do the same with the T part also. But this now don't pull it all the way till the T line because your T will disappear. Let just it connect to the top and the bottom. Okay. Now that's it. And now what we are going to do, just for a little bit of drama, we'll add a shadow to this. So this boy is shocked looking at carrot. Okay. And that's the end of all the 4 different type of really visual image magic. Okay. So that's what we have done in the first, second, third and fourth one. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and do not forget to share because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.